So today we will unbox iPhone Special Edition 2020. We have the 128GB version. It also arrives in 64 and 256 gigs of storage, as it does not have a card support. Let's open up the box. We get some paperwork on top, and we get an iPhone 8 looking device. We will get back to it later. Then we have the power brick. A non-fast charging brick in 2020 is quite surprising. Then the regular Apple headphones and the lightning connector, so no Type-C with this one. Let's put them aside for now and get to our device. Let's boot it up real quick. Once the device is set up, this is how it's gonna look like. It's quite similar to the iPhone 8. It has a 7 megapixel front camera and 3 gigs of RAM. But the difference between this and iPhone 8 is the processor. This comes with Apple's latest A13 Bionic chip, which is going to be the fastest in this price point, which is $400 or around 65,000 in Pakistan. It comes in 3 colors: black, white and red. And the other difference is the camera. Overall, it's a device that looks just like iPhone 8. Let's unwrap it real quick. On the back of the device is a 12MP single-man camera from the iPhone 11. And the Apple logo has gone a bit lower than the iPhone 8, as you can see. The only difference in the appearance between the iPhone 8 and iPhone SE 2020. Back of the phone is glass and the frame is metallic. Top of the phone is pretty much empty, with the power key and the SIM tray on the right side. At the bottom, you have the lightning connector and the speaker grill. Volume keys on the other side with a physical switch for putting the phone on silent or ringing. Overall, this phone is pretty much identical to the iPhone 8. With these huge bezels, it looks like an old device. And yeah, the Touch ID is back. It looks like an old device, but if the performance is what you are looking for, this is something you can buy. That's all from today. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe. See you guys around.